Yeah, start it up. Hey, what's up YouTube? Gonna do a quick video. Just picked up this exhaust system for the Jeep, and we're gonna do a sound level check before and after we install it, so you get an idea of what to expect. Here's the unboxing of this Borla exhaust system. Pretty well packed. Hardware. Looks like you get a little hat. Didn't need 2 hands for this. Alright, here's what we got out of the box here. This is the S-Type. It's basically a straight pipe. See what you got there. That packaging was really good. See what it sounds like. Yeah, start it up. Just finished the install here. It was very easy. Just a couple bolts to pull the other muffler off and throw this one on. Let it run here for a second so you can kind of hear what it sounds like. It is without the exhaust. We got a little decimal meter up right now. I am going to get it up to 60. Maybe 60 miles an hour. We're about 90 decibels. Not sure how accurate this meter is, but at least we can compare it before and after and we can get an idea. I'm going 60 miles an hour right now. Really probably doing about 67 because I haven't calibrated my speedometer yet. We're running at about, kind of see, 87, 85 to 90 decibels. Just cruising down the highway. Alright, we got the exhaust installed, so now we're going to check out the decibel meter and see how it compares. So just getting on the freeway now. About the same. We're in the 7th gear right now, doing about 60 miles an hour. My speedometer, so we're doing about 65, 67, about 90 decibels. Going up a little bit of a hill, so it's kind of just droning along. As we get over this little hill, we'll see what it does. Yeah, that's 8th gear right there, doing about 60 miles an hour. So in 8th gear, flat road, it's pretty comparable to what it was before. When you are going up a little bit of a hill and you have to downshift into 7th, it looks like it gets a little bit louder, but pretty comparable. Just cruising along.
So overall, what we found out, just cruising along down the freeway, it's pretty close to the same. You really don't notice it at all, at least with the setup we've got with these 37s on, and they're not that loud. But accelerating, it's significantly louder. Which I like. I like the sound.
Yeah, now if we get on it, it's when it...
So we wanted to try doing some 0 to 60 runs just to see if we could see any performance increase with this. The app we were using, we found out later, wasn't very accurate. So take that with a grain of salt.
Ooh, a new record. 7.75.
Alright guys, we're going to do another 0 to 60. We're on a little bit of a hill, so it's probably not going to be that accurate, but we're going to try to do this. Hey guys, so that's pretty much all I've got on this review of this Borla S-Type climber exhaust. Hope you liked it. Hope it was helpful for you in deciding what type of exhaust you want to get for your JK, JL, or whatever. I've been very impressed with the Borla. I just checked out their website. Lifetime warranty, doesn't void your manufacturer's warranty. Been great, sounds awesome. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.